Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Right now, actually, I'm here in Marwan Carpentry cum Joinery Workshop. Actually, honestly, they are on the main highway on Flores, where I am living. So every day when I am passing by, so I'm looking him and I'm looking always his people. They are working over here. They are doing outside here the spray work. And the good thing actually, I have 18-year experience in Emirates, Dubai in the same relevant work. I was working in one of the leading factory over there, Master Top Furniture Factory and Decor. So they are very famous in Emirates in Dubai's Al Quoz Industrial Area 4. 22nd Street. So I will recommend you also in my vlog that my experience over there in the same joinery, FF&E. They are expert in that particularly field, and so it reminds me always. So whenever I'm passing by, I'm smelling the wood when they are cutting. So it still remember and make my memories very fresh. And especially the thinner and sealer when they are spraying it outside, so I'm passing by, so you know, it recalls me my memories back over there in Emirates, in Dubai particularly. It recall me my factory over there in Master Top Furniture Factory. So you know, it's always in my DNA, and I can never forget in my entire life the experience which I have get through that factory, Master Top Furniture Factory and Decor. So I will come back to the same thing. So they are doing actually this kind of work. Hi, this is Mr. Marwan, the owner of the Marwan workshop for the carpentry and joinery. Actually, he's always on my way. I see him every day, but unfortunately this is the first time we met him, but this is the first time I have the opportunity with him to grab him personally, to have some TikTok about chit chat, whatever you wanna say about his work. So basically, you was working in Qatar, right? How many? 4 years. So this guy, he worked in 4 years in the same field, carpentry, right? So he opened his workshop when 2016. So it's quite long time. So he has very good experience, and he is a reliable guy. He's a professional guy. So in the meanwhile, we will just have a look also his workshop. He is in Flores on the main streets, and he has professional people over here, carpenters and painters. Every day I saw his work because he is across the road. So I oftenly see him how they are doing it, because actually I have my 18-year experience in the same field in Dubai, Emirates. So I know that how these people they do it. So whenever I go, it remind me my work over there in Emirates. So at least I have a remembrance in the shape of Marwan over here. So Marwan, thanks for your time. And so which kind of wood you use? Javelina local. So mostly this one, this is strong enough, reliable. So for the doors you are using Javelina? Okay. Okay, I will just have a look. Okay Marwan, thank you man. So they are using Javelina over here. So this is his work, full solid frame doors. This customized, they are doing wooden bunk beds. So they are basically same like somehow you can say they are in small size of course, but they have potential, they have capable people. which locally over here, so they can do any customized things over there. Unfortunately right now I'm there, so I cannot see much products, but I had seen in the past when I am passing by. So they have particularly different kinds of work over here, the handmade. This is the small workshop, they have it. And now actually it's a break time Pare, right? You're doing like this joint, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
Panel door.
Yeah, for the panel door. So this is all you are doing manually, handmade, right? That's good. So which kind of mostly you are using the machines?
Only silver soap, table soap, buns.
Benza, like this. Yeah, tables. That's good, not bad. Locally here is, I am impressed the work you are doing it over here. What's your good name?
Edwin.
Edwin. You are a carpenter here?
Yes.
Oh, mashallah, good. How long you are with Marvin?
2 years.
2 years, good. And overall, how many years you have experience?
30 years.
30 years, wow, mashallah, is good. So locally here in Philippines, never went to abroad?
No.
No, all of your experience here locally. That's good, wonderful. Okay. But mostly they are using solid wood, and they are not using plywood and MDF. All the work is by solid wood. So hope you guys like my this vlog, and I am very happy that I am able to make a vlog specifically the things which is in my blood, in my DNA, and it recalls me because my major part of my life I have spent it in the same field, like 18 years in Emirates Dubai, and with Master Top Furniture Factory. I would like to mention, and I feel proud that I had worked over there, and I had gained a lot in this specific field of joinery, case good items, and upholstery items of furniture, the soft furniture. So wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. Hope you are going. Sorry, there is a noise on the road itself, so maybe you are not able to get my the voice. So once again, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel, daily life stuff, and because I have different kind of content in my this channel, so hope you guys like and subscribe my channel, and wish you all the best. Stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.